How to fix Logitech keyboard not working. If your Logitech keyboard is not working, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. 1. Check the basics asterisk. Ensure that the keyboard is properly connected to your computer. If it's a wireless keyboard, check the batteries and the wireless connection. If it's a USB keyboard, try plugging it into a different USB port. 2. Restart your computer asterisk. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Reboot your computer and check if the keyboard starts working. 3. Update drivers asterisk. Make sure that the drivers for your Logitech keyboard are up to date. You can check Logitech's official website for the latest drivers. 4. Try the keyboard on another computer asterisk. Connect the keyboard to another computer to see if the issue is with the keyboard or the computer itself. 5. Check for physical damage asterisk. Inspect the keyboard for any physical damage or loose connections. If you find any issues, it might require repair or replacement. 6. Unplug other USB devices asterisk. Disconnect other USB devices connected to your computer to rule out any conflicts. 7. Use on-screen keyboard asterisk. If you are unable to use the physical keyboard, try using the on-screen keyboard to navigate and troubleshoot. 8. Check for software conflicts asterisk. Some software or applications may interfere with the keyboard functionality. Try booting your computer in safe mode to see if the keyboard works without issues. 9. Check number lock/caps lock asterisk. Ensure that the number lock or caps lock keys are not activated unintentionally, as this can affect keyboard functionality. 10. Reinstall keyboard drivers asterisk. In the device manager, on Windows, uninstall the keyboard drivers, and then restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically. 11. Reset wireless connection. For wireless keyboards, if you have a wireless keyboard, reset the connection by following the instructions in the user manual. 12. Test in BIOS/UEFI asterisk. Reboot your computer and test the keyboard in the BIOS or UEFI settings. If it works there, the issue might be related to the operating system. 13. Contact Logitech support asterisk. If none of the above steps resolves the issue, it's advisable to contact Logitech support for further assistance. They may provide specific troubleshooting steps or guide you through the warranty process if the keyboard is still under warranty. Remember that these steps may vary depending on your specific Logitech keyboard model and the operating system you are using. Always refer to the user manual or Logitech support resources for model-specific guidance.